So hey guys, right now it is 10 a.m. and I gave my bike to the service center for the radar installation and the advanced control pack trial. They told me it will take some time. The bike would be delivered by 4 p.m. and I have so much time left. So I thought to watch some movies or something. In the meantime, anyway, I have off day today. And so let's see how it goes and see you in the evening. So hey, right now it's about 7 p.m. and I'm really tired. It took one full day. In the beginning, I said like the radar installation will take around 4 or 5 hours. If you're planning for radar installation, plan for one full day. Basically, give your bike in the morning and take it back by evening. So because after 4 hours, yeah, installation might take like it will take more time. After that, there is testing everything, so it will take one full day. So yeah, the radar is working good, and I tested it in the traffic and plus highway also. It's working good, no issues so far. I need to check with other thing also, like the advanced control pack. They said it's not from here; they need to do it from there. Like the Bangalore team, they need to do it. So I'll contact them regarding that one. Currently, I'm working on two major videos. One is the range test, as you guys are asking for. Many are asking for the range test. So I'm doing that one. Plus, I have something to talk about, like 20 things, 20 to 25 things about my bike. It's basically ownership review. Like I rode the bike for around 2,000 kilometers, more than 2,000 kilometers. So I have things to talk about, like basic. So with the things you should know, like before buying the bike. And the bike is doing really good, and I really like the bike. If you're going for it, without a doubt, you can go for it. That's one suggestion from my side. And yeah, if you like these kind of videos, and if you're planning for electric, change over everything, so join our community and subscribe to this channel, and see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.